This is Billy Ray, the truck driver. Friendly reminder. Well, first off, roll tide. Friendly reminder. Don't fucking become a truck driver. Ain't you fucking do it, buddy? All right. Have some self-respect. Don't goddamn do it. It's too hard. The money ain't worth. Well, the money's worth it. I'm not gonna lie to you, buddy. But ain't Coca-Cola. All right. Don't get it messed up. Coca-Cola treat me real good, goddamn. But it's the everyday disrespect that a truck driver gets. All right. You know, it depends on, you know, whether people are feeling nice today or not. And I don't like it. I don't like that shit. All right. Roll tide. That's all I got. Buddy, I love truck driving. All right. I've been truck driving about 2 years, goddamn boy. I love this shit. No, for real though, like, you know, become a truck driver. Of course, we need more truck drivers, but man, some days it's rough, man. Some days it is rough, man. You gotta pull through that. You feel me? That it's a beautiful last day today, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to be alive and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all knew this, but I'm a certified foodie. You know what I mean? Trying this new Cuban spot I ain't never been to before. Last time I had Cuban food was when I was in Miami. That was pretty cool. So, you know, something different. You know, we out here. Fuck. I deal with this shit every day. What is it? 4:43. Clocked in at 6:30. But how many hours is that? That's enough. It was like 9.5, something like that. 9 hours. Oh. All right, my brother. All right. Whenever you see another black truck driver, you better give him that black ass. Nah, boy. You better give him that. Right on, my brother. We oppressed in this motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh. You know, I've always been nervous to like record myself like in the truck, because like I'm thinking that it's illegal, but like, you know, I got both my hands on the steering wheel. This nigga looking at me like I'm crazy. What's up, cuz? Oh, alright. Oh, alright. But yeah, I mean, I got both hands on the steering wheel, right? I'm not really being distracted. I always have this on, you know, so I, you know, when I have calls and all that crap. You know what I'm saying? It's lit either way, though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't just trying to get in trouble. You feel me? I said I ain't. What kind of English is that? I ain't trying to get. I am not trying to get in trouble. Yeah. No, that Vegas is happening like next month. When I tell you that's gonna be an epic ass vlog, I'm gonna have to break that bitch down into like 2 or 3 videos, cause man, nigga, man, I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. Dog, that boy just texting away, not even going like this. That nigga just like this, la la la. Dang. You don't get it. Man, it's crazy how many like people that you see on the road. These people are crazy, man. And everybody's trying to. People don't understand, like, everybody is against you when you're a truck driver on the road. Everybody wants to be in front of you because nobody wants to be in the back of the truck. People are scared of you. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm gonna just stick in traffic. Alright, so I'm out of work. And the Cuban place that I wanted to go to, the motherfuckers closed at 3 p.m. So, we got this new spot in Worcester, the Hangover Pub. It looks lit. You know what I'm saying? Let's check that shit out, B. I'm meeting my boy Jorge. And we gonna try some shit out, man. What's poppin'?
What's up?
This place got some dope ass art, though. Keep talking. Just keep talking.
So what?
Act like the camera's not even on you, bruh.
It's good. He was telling me to like have food, cars, and music.
Yeah.
So I told him his ideas come like he's faster than me and Will on that stuff. I feel because like our teachers had to do a logo. This nigga did it in less than 5 minutes. Made like an eagle for like a champagne logo. Just like
Or just a random business?
just for a class. And he made it like dude, that's a bacon ass drink. I don't know if I feel about that.
I don't know how to explain this place right now, to be honest with you. What do you think?
Dude, I have no idea. This is the first time. It looks nice. The environment looks
That's
nice.
what I'm saying, yeah, the vibe is dope. I kind of like this thing, whatever the heck this thing is.
It's water.
Well, I know it's water, but like, have you ever seen it? Like,
That's how they serve it. That's how they serve it.
this is dope. Hold on. So, I got the, what was it?
Crab cakes.
I got the bacon and crab cake. It's fucking delicious as fuck. And my nigga got the, what is it?
Pork belly and goat cheese.
Pork belly and goat fucking cheese.
Ragoon.
Ragoon. This shit was good. Oh, what's this?
Bacon palmer.
Bacon motherfucking Palmer. Let this bitch got a motherfucking bacon infused bourbon. House sour mix. Honey. Oh my dog. Look at nigga. Hey, this place getting a 4.5 so far. We ain't even eaten the real shit yet. Amen. I said amen. Camera's on you, man.
Oh, amen. Better put some respect on that, man.
Respect on it.
Call me a cunt?
Dude, you get to get the bite or what? You're getting drunk, kid. Back it off, back off.
I'm not gonna get drunk. I gotta go to the movies.
Who you going with?
Lucy and some friends.
Oh.
You met Lucy.
Now, what the hell did you get? What did you get?
Was it pork belly?
Pork belly sandwich, whatever that is. So then mine is the
Raised pork belly.
Alright, what did I get? The chicken and bacon pork bowl?
Something like that.
Damn, boy. Second bite, all I got was bread. Oh. So we just got finished eating. I got the itis like a motherfucker. The place was good, man. Now it's time to get home. Sheesh.
Nobody to stop us, nigga. We out here.